Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the Dow Jones futures for Monday, January 8th. For the record, today is Sunday, January 7th. Time is around 5:15 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at the 15-minute chart, and actually I'm still focusing on the lower time frame. Not much has changed, or we do not really have new elements to reconsider the higher time frame. So if you're interested in the higher time frame, please have a look at my latest video on the higher time frame. For now, I keep my focus on the lower time frame because here some interesting things are happening, in my opinion. So previously, I assumed that we were doing like a C-leg down, so an impulse down here as indicated in red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But actually this starts to look, especially if we would take out the low right here, as a double tree correction. So then we would have wave W, wave X, and wave Y down. And the reason that I put now here the double tree as my primary scenario is because like this wave 4 had quite the deep retracement. Like we went quite high for a wave 4, so that's not really ideal. And yeah, therefore, like especially if we take out the low right here, then there is no doubt anymore, then we do not have an impulse, because then we have more than 5 waves. And yeah, I believe this might actually happen. So then we have wave W, wave X, and wave Y down, and then here A, B, C, corrective structure, and here again A, B, C. And so then we can actually define some important levels. If we have a W, X, Y structure right here, then first of all, we know that if we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, then here our wave Y should end in the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension. Furthermore, if we assume that our wave B high is in, so as you can see, we went into the wave B area. If we take the length here of the wave A, then we know that the wave B area is the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIP retracement. So we went into this area, so we can have our wave B right here. Then if we take the length of the wave A, the length of the wave B, then here this area, the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension, is the area where our wave C can end. So what we have to see then here is another leg down, another impulsive wave down, to end the C wave and to end this correction right here. And so if we are doing a corrective structure here, a WXY structure is a corrective structure, then this actually opens the door for several scenarios actually in the higher time frame, I would say, because like first of all, we can stop here, WXY, in this area, and then I would say that so I did not update the higher time frame. There's also not really it's also not really useful to do this now, but what could happen then is that our wave 3 is here, and that we are actually working on a wave 4 now, like in this degree. What we could also do, because we are moving corrective, we know after one WXY it can be finished, but we can also do the double. Like then we would have a deeper retracement. Then we have WXY 1, 2, 3, which is, for instance, only the wave W in a higher degree. And then we have one up again, two, and another leg down, another corrective leg, three down, one, two, three. That's also a possibility. And then what we would have then is, for instance, that here the scenario in red, that we are working on this wave 4, so that our wave 3 in this degree was in right here, and so that we are now working on the wave 4 if we are doing the double 1, 2, 3 into wave 4 area. That's also a possibility. So as you can see, depending on what we are doing in the lower time frame, I can adjust the higher time frame in several ways. So therefore, for the moment, I keep my focus on the lower time frame, what we are doing here. Especially what's crucial now, if we see on Monday and Tuesday another sell-off, taking out the low right here, yeah, then I would definitely go for here the WXY structure. And then we still have to see, could be finished here after the WXY structure, but at the same time, this can only be the first leg of a bigger WXY structure, and then we get something like this: 1, 2, 3. With this 1, 2, 3, the first leg of the bigger correction. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this analysis. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you one of the next days for another update on the Dow Jones. Have a nice day. Bye bye.